Good morning. Commission and fees, lesson 2-6. So commission is money you earn based on how much you sell. And fees are a fee somebody might charge you for doing some work. They might charge you a fee per, they'll charge you a fee per transaction, let's say. Okay, so here's some vocabulary to know. Hourly employees are paid by the hour, so a set amount of dollars per hour. If you're salary, you get paid by the year, no matter how many hours you work in the year. Commission only means you're paid only a percent of the amount that you sell. But if you're salary plus commission, you make your salary, but you also add in a percent of the amount you sell. Okay, let's go over to the check on page 108. Nathan sells jewelry and earns a 9.75 commission on every piece he sells. How much commission would he earn on a bracelet that's sold for $220? Well, you'd have the bracelet price, and you'd times it by the commission percent. And that would be it. He would earn $21.45. The price of the item he sold times his percent commission, the dollars in commission. Pretty simple, huh? Now that you know all this other stuff, this one seems fairly simple. Quentin wants to earn, but then they get complicated. I love it. Quentin wants to earn $945 this month in commission. So he wants our stuff that we're going to do to equal $945. What is the minimum amount he needs to sell if he earns a 5.25% commission? Well, let's change our 5.25 to a number, 0.0525, times what he sells. Notice 5s are different than S's. And then we'll do some work and we'll figure out how much he needs to sell. So do the inverse operation. Number next to a letter means times. Opposite of times is divide. What you do to one side, you must do to the other. This divided by itself is 1, and 1 times S will be S. 945 divide 0.0525 is going to be $18,000. Assuming he has no money taken out for taxes and everything. That's a complicated topic. We can get into another day. Quentin needs to earn $18,000. He needs to sell $18,000 worth of items in order to earn his $945 commission. Okay, and last one for this lesson, let's talk fees. So we'll go here to the check. This is a real situation. Tickets for a concert are sold by an online ticket reseller. One company charges a 4% fee. 4% equals 0.04 of the ticket price. Another company charges a flat fee of $250. Okay. The ticket you want to buy costs $60.50. If you buy the ticket online, which is the lesser fee? Paying a flat fee or paying the percent? Well, we got to find the percent. So we take the ticket cost, 60.50 times the fee, 60.50 times the fee, $2.42. Versus this one, which is the cheaper? The fee that is a percent will be cheaper by 8 cents. All right, that should give you enough to get going. Good luck.